Since high school is also an important formative time for students, overstress can carry over into adulthood. Many students will experience higher levels of stress in their 20s due to learned behaviors and failing to cope with those in high school. That's why it's important to start stress management now. Starting before you're overstressed is important as it will help you keep your stress under control. The first strategy is to get 8 hours of sleep. This is paramount as less than 8 hours impacts your ability to concentrate and more than 10 hours increases your levels of anxiety. Number 2 is to practice breathing exercise. This is a form of relaxation and meditation that has a lower barrier to entry and it's great to use on the go. Whether you're in class or at home, you can utilize breathing exercise to step away mentally and regain control. Number 4 is to spend 5 minutes organizing your day. This is a very small task that can have large impact. Oftentimes, planning out your day makes all of the tasks that you need to get done seem more manageable.